Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile gadgets you can add to your daily routine, seamlessly blending fitness tracking, communication, and convenience right on your wrist, making it an indispensable tool for staying connected and informed without constantly reaching for your phone. Number 5. Ravensburger CreArt Delightful Deer Paint by Numbers Kit. Discover the joy of painting with this delightful deer kit. It's a wonderful way to transform a blank canvas into a vibrant masterpiece. This complete set includes everything you need to get started. You'll find high-quality paints, brushes, and a sturdy canvas for a professional finish. Engage in a fun and relaxing activity that lets you express your creativity. The finished piece will be a beautiful addition to your home decor. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This Paint by Numbers set is ideal for birthdays or holidays, keeping kids entertained and inspired. Not only will you create a stunning painting, but you can also add extra sparkle with the included gems. It's easy to display your finished artwork with the provided hanger. What we like. This kit is perfect for introducing children to painting. If you are looking for a fun and relaxing way for your child to express creativity, this is a great choice. It results in a beautiful home decor piece once completed. What people say. CreArt is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of creative projects. The software offers a wide range of features, including drawing, painting, and animation tools. CreArt's user-friendly interface makes it easy for beginners to get started, while its advanced features cater to professionals. Number 4. Mother of Pearl DIY Mosaic Photo Frame Craft Kit. Discover the joy of creating something beautiful with this all-in-one mosaic craft kit. It's designed for hours of creative fun, perfect for young artists. Inside, you'll find a sturdy wooden frame, shimmering mother-of-pearl shells, glue, and a spreader. Everything is ready for you to start crafting your masterpiece. These genuine shell pieces offer a unique, iridescent glow that will make your creation truly sparkle. Each piece is special, allowing for endless design possibilities. Crafting is simple and mess-free with the included child-friendly glue and spreader. All materials are non-toxic, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. This activity helps develop fine motor skills, color recognition, and planning abilities. It's a fun way to explore art and design concepts. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays or any occasion, offering a rewarding crafting experience and a beautiful keepsake. What we like. This DIY mosaic kit offers a unique crafting experience with genuine mother-of-pearl shells. If you want a project that promotes fine motor skills and spatial awareness while creating a personalized keepsake, this is ideal. It's perfect for creative girls who enjoy hands-on learning. What people say. The CreArt has a very intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and use, even for beginners. Its robust feature set allows for a wide range of creative possibilities, catering to both simple and complex projects. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that ensure longevity and reliable performance. Number 3. Craftorama Sewing Kit for Kids. Introducing the Craftorama Sewing Kit, a fun and educational craft set designed for kids aged 7 to 12. It's perfect for beginners looking to sew their own adorable felt animals. Learning to sew is a breeze with our kit. We provide clear, illustrated instructions and helpful video tutorials, ensuring your child has a blast creating without any frustration. This comprehensive set includes over 165 pieces, featuring pre-cut felt projects, colorful threads, needles, pins, stuffing, and more. Everything is included so you can start crafting right away. Get your kids away from screens and engaged in creative play. This kit is perfect for keeping them entertained for hours, whether it's a rainy day or a special craft party. See the joy on your child's face as they proudly display the cute animals they've made themselves. These creations are perfect for starting a collection or giving as heartfelt gifts. Designed for beginners, our kit features pre-punched holes for neat stitches and includes both plastic and metal needles for safe practice. We also use secure sticker backings instead of messy glue. We've put a lot of care into designing this kit, and we're confident you'll love it. If anything isn't perfect, we're here to help make it right. What we like. This sewing kit provides everything needed to create adorable felt animals. If you're looking for a way to get kids away from screens and busy with a hands-on skill, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for beginners with pre-punched holes and includes video tutorials for easy guidance. What people say. The CreArt is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of crafting projects. Its intuitive design makes it easy to use, even for beginners. The CreArt features a durable construction that ensures it will last for years to come. Number 2. Ravensburger CreArt 2 Cuddly Cats Paint by Numbers Kit. Create a cozy corner for your favorite child to spend some uplifting downtime with this delightful painting kit. It's perfect for encouraging creativity and relaxation. Easily transform a blank canvas into a masterpiece, even if you're a beginner. The charming designs and vibrant colors guarantee a beautiful result. Relax, paint, and celebrate the artist within you. This enjoyable activity results in a beautiful piece of art that can decorate any space. This painting kit makes a fantastic gift for any occasion. It's an entertaining activity suitable for ages 9 and up. Everything you need is included to get started right away. Just open the box and let the creativity flow. What we like. This paint by numbers set features a charming 2 cuddly cats design. If you or your child, ages 9+, enjoy relaxing activities and creating beautiful home decor, this is a wonderful choice. It's designed for beginners and ensures a picture-perfect result with vibrant colors and a gloss finish. What people say. The CreArt is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of artistic projects. Its intuitive design makes it easy for beginners to pick up and start creating. The CreArt offers a wide range of features that allow for detailed and intricate designs. Number 1. Ravensburger CreArt Dreaming Owl Paint by Numbers Kit. Discover the joy of painting with this all-in-one kit. It's perfect for anyone looking to create a beautiful piece of art. Follow the simple numbered sections to bring the dreaming owl to life. It's a wonderfully relaxing way to unwind and express your creativity. This set includes everything you need: pre-printed canvas, vibrant paints, and brushes. You'll achieve stunning, professional-looking results. Whether you're a beginner or have some painting experience, this kit is designed for artists aged 12 and up. It's a fantastic introduction to the world of art. Transform a blank canvas into a captivating masterpiece. This kit provides a rewarding and enjoyable artistic experience from start to finish. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This paint by numbers set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give the gift of creativity. What we like. This paint by numbers kit is designed for adults looking for a relaxing art experience. If you enjoy detailed artwork and a calming creative outlet, this Dreaming Owl set is perfect for you. It offers a chance to unwind and create a beautiful piece of art suitable for ages 12 and up. What people say. The CreArt is a fantastic tool for creating intricate designs with ease. Its user-friendly interface allows for quick learning and efficient operation. The precision offered by the CreArt ensures professional quality results every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.